Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make a beautiful home decor with the help of these embroidery hoops. We are not going to use all of them, but just half of it. So here it is. If you want to know how I made this, keep on watching. So I have these amazing brass tea light holders, but I wanted to make a base for them. So I made this. These are the things we'll need: embroidery hoop, a bowl, hot glue gun, caps from a tin can, these are from Amul ghee, some screws, a screwdriver, and an X-Acto knife. So first of all, take the outer part of the embroidery hoop and start cutting it as shown. So once you have cut your embroidery hoop into half, now you take your bowl and make sure it is an old bowl and a plastic one. Now fix a screw through it from the inside of the bowl to the outside, such that the screw is visible from the other side. Now, once your screw is fixed, take your hoop and fix it on the screw as shown. Okay, so once you start fixing your hoop onto the screw, make sure you do not fix it from the middle. Both the sides should not be the same. One side is little longer than the other, so that you get a crescent like shape. So once this is all fixed, now it's time to glue the tin can caps. So I had these small plastic caps which I will use as a base. So first I'm going to stick them on each end of the hoop. And then I'm going to glue the tin caps on them. Now there was a little part of the screw showing on top. Now what I did, I took a pearl and glued on top of the screw. Now it's time to spray paint. Now I was not quite happy with the all gold look, so I painted the tin caps black, and the combination of black and gold always looks good. I loved how it turned out. I'm sure you liked it and will try it. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video with something creative. God bless you all.